How to add a shop button on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a shop button to your Instagram account. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, make sure your app is updated. Head over to Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see update sign here, tap on update. If not, tap open it. Now go onto your home page and tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Once you do so, tap on three bar icon and from here tap on settings and privacy. So for you to see the shop button, you should change your account to a professional account. Scroll below and under for professionals, tap on account type and tools. You tap on switch to professional account and tap on continue. You choose what best describes you and tap on done. Once you do so, here tap on business and tap on to next. Now here you can either enter your phone number and email address. If not, just tap on don't use my contact info at the bottom of the page. Once you do so, refresh your page. Once you do it all, tap on edit profile. Then you will see action button at the second last option. Tap onto it. And just like so, you will see a shop button according to your business. For instance, I had chosen artist as my business, so this is what it looks like. But in case you have chosen some shopping center or clothing brand, you will be able to see the shop now button. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in our next upload.